Well, let's get back to business. Hi guys, my name is Rose Mmbaga. I'm from Tanzania. I'm very excited to have this chance to share with you about landscape and restoration. I believe in order to achieve landscape management and leadership, it's really important to involve multi-stakeholder agreement, including governments, including youth, activists, including our community, and everyone who is very interesting about express about our environment. One thing which I believe, if I have a chance to attending GLF Bonn in German, I will create safe space for youth, not only in Tanzania, but also in Africa and globally. So I want you to be part of it. Please share this video in order to reach 1 billion people to understand the importance of taking action.